Good morning students. Today I would like to discuss importance of vegetables in human nutrition and in national economy. Vegetables are generally studied in the branch of floriculture or horticulture. Vegetables, as you know, the term vegetable is applied to the edible herbaceous plant or plant parts thereof, which are consumed generally in the unripe stage after cooking. Importance of vegetables in human nutrition. The balanced diet contains adequate energy source, nutrients, and proteins, etc. Vegetables are the reliable source of many dietary factors, as vegetables contain many of the dietary factors like vitamins, minerals, amino acids. They are considered as protective supplementary food. They produce taste, increase appetite, and produce fair amount of fibers. They maintain good health and protect against degenerative disease. They can neutralize the acids produced during digestion of proteins and fats. Nutrients which are present in vegetables vary from crop to crop. Peas and beans are enriched with proteins. Root crops like tapioca, sweet potato, and potato are well known for carbohydrates. Calcium, K, iron are the important minerals which are lacking in cereals, and these are available in abundant quantities in the vegetables like peas, beans, spinach, and okra. Amaranthus, cabbage, beans contain large quantity of cellulose which aid in digestion. All the leaf and fruit vegetables possesses the required quantities of vitamins. Source vegetables. It is very important. First one is calories. Calories giving source vegetables like sweet potato, tapioca, yam, colocasia, corns, potato, Brussels sprouts, onion, and garlic. Immature seeds of broad bean and peas, Phaseolus lanatus, lima bean, Fuchsia parda, broad bean. Protein rich vegetables, peas, double bean, winged bean, garlic, Brussels sprouts, cowpea, lima bean seeds, amaranthus leaves, drumstick leaves, and mentha leaves. Vitamins A rich rich vegetables like carrot, spinach, turnip, green, palak, mustard green, amaranth, coriander, colocasia leaves, sweet potato, pumpkin, and tomato. Vegetables which supply vitamin B complex to our body. These are peas, broad bean, lima bean, garlic, asparagus, colocasia, and tomato. Vitamin C supplying vegetables, turnip green, green chilies, Brussels sprouts, mustard green, amaranth, coriander, drumstick leaves, cauliflower, nolkol, spinach, cabbage, bitter gourd, and radish leaves. Calcium. It is a mineral generally supplied by curry leaves, amaranthus leaves, drumstick leaves, methi leaves, turnip leaves, mustard green, coriander, and palak. Iron resource vegetables. These are drumstick leaves of fruits, domestic leaves and fruits, amaranth, methi, mint, coriander, spinach, palak, mustard green, spinach, lettuce, and cabbage. Roughages, or you can say fiber, it is very much needed for smooth functioning of the stomach and smooth stooling from our body. These are amaranthus and most of the root vegetables. They supplied roughages to our diet. Vegetable milk, some of the vegetables which are generally used for extracting the milk. These are pea pods and cabbage leaves are utilized for extracting the vegetable milk. Importance of vegetables in national economy. Annually, India produces about 184.4 million tons of vegetables from an area of 10.26 million hectares during 2017-18. and it contributes in bird production 13.4%. Vegetable crops have high export potential both in fresh form or processed form. APEDA is the nodal organization involved in regulation of export and import of various food products. Traditional vegetables like onion, potato, okra, bitter gourd, and chilies, and non-traditional vegetables like asparagus, celery, paprika, sweet corn, baby corn, beans, peas, and cherry tomato have been shortlisted by APEDA for export point of view. Among the different vegetables, 77% of the onion produced is being exported, thus earning valuable foreign exchange to the country. Onion and traditional vegetables are being imported by Gulf countries, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Non-traditional vegetables are being imported by Australia, European countries, South Asian, and Gulf countries. Out of the total output of vegetables, only 1% is being utilized by the processing industry. Inadequate preservation techniques and storage facilities contribute to 25% loss of vegetables produced. By improving post-harvest techniques, we can ensure year-round availability of vegetables. Thank you.